Hello everyone and welcome to my video. I'm Dr. Mahdi. Today and in this video we will learn how to grow peanut at home. At the end of this video, if you like it, please push the like. You can also share it with your friends. Now let's start the video. Here you can see the peanuts. Please note it's very important. You need to take unroasted peanuts because roasted peanuts don't have ability for germination. Here you can see unroasted peanuts. First we need to open them and take the seeds out. Please be careful, you shouldn't damage the seeds. I mean, you don't need to apply a lot of pressure. In next step, we need a wet tissue. We need to use a wet tissue and we wrap the seeds in tissue. We can delete this one. Then we put it in a plastic bag. We use plastic bag because in this case we can make sure that tissue will be always wet. We need to leave it in room temperature. So 1 week passed. Now let's have a look at the peanuts. Oh, you can see all of the peanuts have sprouted and you can see the sprout for all of them. Now it's time to transplant them in soil. First we need to make a hole and it's better to put it in this direction in soil. And now we need to water it. And then it's better to place it in a sunny area. For example, behind the window or outside. If outside it's not cold, it's better to put it outside. Now 2 weeks passed. You can see peanut grows very fast. I think now every peanut plant, every bush should be near 30 centimeters or maybe more than 30 centimeters. Approximately 5 months passed and now let's have a look. Maybe we can harvest some peanuts. Oh, cool. You can see some peanuts and also one more inside of soil. Yeah, cool. You can see the peanuts. Oh, it's difficult. And one more here. One more here. Cool, awesome. You can see the peanuts that I harvested from my small pot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, 10. 10 peanuts from this small pot. It's really enjoyable. Cool. Hope you found this video useful. At the end, if you have any comment or question, you can write it below in comment section. If you like it, please push the like, press the subscribe button. You can also hit the bell. In this case, you will get notification whenever I publish a new video. And at the end, please don't forget that life is short and enjoy it. Thank you so much and bye.